Hi guys, today I'm back with another review of an infographic tool. This time it's Visme. And without any further ado, let me just get to showing you how this tool works. I have previously created some infographics for my blog, and this time I'm going to show you how you can make your own infographic with Visme. And it's important to know that you can create other types of content with Visme, not just infographics, from presentations to social graphics and more. But for this review, I'm just going to go with the infographics. And basically, you're going to get a few featured templates to choose from. Or you can search for the template that interests you the most. For example, let's say you need a template for some statistics. You will get some recommendations for commonly searched terms and then some templates you can use. And I'll just pick a simple one for this review. And this will be your main workspace. And before we get to showing you how this works, let me just tell you that Visme is incredibly simple to use and very intuitive. So you might not even need a tutorial if you want to get started. So first of all, once you have chosen a template and you've selected it, you will get a series of recommended text, stats and figures, graphics and text, anything that you can add to that specific template. Then you obviously have an option to save your own content, and basically how this is done is that you select whatever you want to reuse in the future and then just click on save to my blogs, and it will soon be added in this left bar. And obviously you will be able to reuse it whenever you want to. Then if you want to add some graphics, you have the option to choose between icons and shapes and photos. Again, once you've clicked on this left button, you will have another separate menu for choosing the exact types of graphics that you want. And you can either go and look for a specific type of icon or search for what you want. And obviously all graphics are customizable. And what I like about Visme is that you can choose even the graphics that are colored, such as this one, and change the colors according to your exact needs. Then when it comes to photos, most of them are sponsored via Unsplash. This means that you can use them for free without having to credit the owner, although crediting is preferred. And you can also upload your own photos or save them to your library. And if you don't want to just scroll for a perfect picture, you can look for whatever you want and add the picture to your infographic. And you can even add it as a background and place it according to your needs. And obviously each picture can be edited using the filter option. For example, in this case, I might want a bit less brightness just to make the writing and the icon pop up. Then moving on to data. This is perhaps Visme's best feature because everything is just very simple to edit. For instance, if you click on the existing chart on the template, you will get to change the value according to your exact needs. For example, let's raise this to 85% and then you just change the writing under and it's perfect and good to go. If you'd like to add a separate table or graphic chart for your data, you can add a separate chart. And basically how this works is that you select the chart that you want, for example, a bar chart, and then you will have a spreadsheet in which you can add your data and change it according to your needs. And every single aspect of it is customizable. And then you just click on insert and you will get it ready to be added on the template that you already have. You can add a table, and this works in the exact same way in which Excel or Google Sheets tables work. And if you want to add data to the table, you can just add it manually. But these are just the most simple types of data charts that you can create, and you also have other options such as creating a map. And this is another one of their advanced features because you can either choose a country or a region. And just to show you how targeted this can be, I will pick a country, click on edit this map, and basically from here you can change the colors of a specific county, the name of a region, and even remove some of the regions if the study has only been done on a specific series of regions. And you can obviously insert that as well. And this will be your map. But obviously then you have some other more interactive and in my opinion, likable ways of showing your data, such as this progress bar. And basically how this works is that you just click twice on it and you change the value according to your needs and make it fit in your template, and it's done. And in the same way, there are other ways of displaying your data, such as some semicircles. And again, for each one of them, you can just drag the values according to your research or data. Then you have arrays, which are basically icon charts. And how this works is that you can just double click on it. You can manually add some numbers and select different types of icons. In this case, we're going to compare baseball to cycling. And again, you can edit it according to the exact needs of your infographic. Then all infographics can be interactive. This is why you can add a video, an audio file, or an embedded online content to them. And if you add a video, you can set the exact ways in which it will be displayed, and the user or the reader of the infographic will be able to play the video wherever you place. But if you've finished your template and you've added all the required data, you can still change the colors of it, even if the template is, for example, mostly blue in this case, from the theme colors option. And from here, you can also set default colors, which are, again, the ones that were initially in the template. But again, with Visme, you can create more than just infographics. So I'm just going to briefly show you how to create some social graphics, because you get templates tailored to a specific type of social network. And in this case, we're going to create a Pinterest graphic. And you will get the exact size for these posts. Let's just choose this one, because if you look at them, some of them are for more advanced users, while most of them are for beginners. And again, Visme is very simple to use, even if you don't have any graphic design skills or have not had any training in this before. And in this case, you can edit it just in the same way as we did with the infographics, or if you don't like the template you've chosen, you can always go and change it from the layout section. To finish, I'll just show you one of the infographics I made a few years ago using Visme. And the thing is that you can go and edit it even after you have saved it. This would be everything about Visme for now. This is just a very brief introduction into the tool. If you'd like me to make a more advanced tutorial, just let me know. But again, Visme is so simple to use that you don't even need a tutorial to get started. Let me know what you think about Visme in the comments below. Check the website in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and have a great day.